and I'm front-end developer, and on my channel I will post some different and useful, as I think, tips for front-end, and I will post them uh, when I create it on my main work. Now on this lesson I will show you this beautiful image and how it works. Let's see. When we hover image, it becomes this effect. You'll see. For SEO, to create this, we need 6 images. I will show it now. Let's look. For example, it is main image, and it is image when we for hover. Okay, and I had about 6 images. Let's see. I will show you now code for this all lesson. Let's see. It is index, it is style and index. As you see, it is not so big. This is HTML about this div, and it is styles, and it is script, jQuery script. Let's start. First of all, we need to create new HTML template. I can copy this one in new file. We have link to reset. I recommend you use reset in every new lesson, new simple page, first of all. Then we got style and link to the scripts. It is jQuery, and our script I will type in the body. Let's see now. Let's start. First of all, we need to, I already create all these directories. It is, let's see, let's copy all this image in new directory. Okay, I already create index and style CSS, and let's copy the reset file. Reset, yes. Okay, now let's start. I will copy some parts because I already write it, and you can stop this video and see it. Yes, let's start with menu wrap. Let's create this div with class menu wrap in body. Okay, let's close body tag, and let's close HTML tag 2. Sorry, this is my first video, and if you like it, I will continue post some different and useful tips. Okay, let's create div with class menu wrap. Copy it. This is our main wrapper. Let's close it. And in styles, you can see style for this. It is background color have, and I built it with background gradient. You can see we have a gradient from one color to another, linear gradient. You can make it with different generators or write by yourself. Let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this all with menu wrap, our main wrapper. Yes. As you can see, we has margin for central and with 1000 pixels. Let's see what we have. Open our new file, index.html, and see. Oh, sorry, didn't close my tag. Sorry. Okay, let's do this. HTML. And now refresh. As you can see, we have, but as you see, we already have this strip. I make it with another div and image, and it repeated. Let's copy this image. I will show it. This page repeat bg created. This small file you can see, and let's copy to another. Sorry, page copy and paste. Create another div inside this one, main wrapper with background color, background repeat, background gradient, sorry, and now create div class menu. In this we have the same parameters as main wrap, such as height and width, but already we have background image in it, and it has repeated. You can see. Remember, you can stop this video anytime and just write from the screen to this code. Okay, you can see background image. It is here. Page repeat bg png, border radius same as in main wrap, and height same, and width. Okay, let's copy these all styles. Yes. Done. We can now look what we have. Refresh. Yes. Now we can see the strip. It's repeated. Okay. Next part. We should create this menu. I use UL tag and li. You can already use div. It is not matter. Okay. Let's copy. UL menu with class menu UL. You can see, and li. In this li I put down two images. You can see by their name, for her and for her hover, and different classes, first image and second image. It is for her, and when I put cursor on it, we will see image for her hover. Two different image in one li we need. Okay, I can think we can copy this. If you have some problems, you can write questions in comments. I will help you. Okay, I copied 6 images, as you see. 1, 2, it is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 li. 1 li, second li, third li, and 1 UL tag. Let's copy. Copy in this div menu, paste, and let's see what we have. We already copied these images in our directory. Refresh. Okay, we see 6 different images. Now I should make some styles for it. First of all, let's take menu UL with 100%. Okay, let's copy, paste, and now look, we have different styles for Lee, menu and Lee, this Lee, and Lee image, and one style for second image with opacity 0. Okay, let's paste these styles. Copy and paste. Okay, see, we have cursor pointer for pointer cursor, float left, haze, it is haze of the image, margin, position relative, overflow visible, width 30 pixels. We need overflow visible because our image's width is more than 300 pixels, and that index 1 because position relative, and I could not use it, but I wrote it. Let's see now what we have. Let's refresh, and nothing changed because our images is too big and it can't float it. And we should do some styles for images. We take absolute position and that index 1. Let's see what we have. Sorry. Paste. Let's see. Okay, we see that 2 images is in one because they have all position absolute, and it one image you see and second image you see, first image and second image. We can, for example, first image, hover, we can, for example, take display known, and you see the first image, and it is 6 image, 1 in 1, 2 in 2, and 3 in 3 Lee. I think you understand. And now we should, for second image, style opacity 0. Let's see. Okay, opacity. Now we see only the first image because second image is set opacity 0. And now we should write some script. Okay, I show you. I will copy it and you can see. Let's write it down here with text script and see. Document ready, standard jQuery, and we create function fade toggle yield class with different functions parameters yield class, and you can see this function. Second image, it will take menu ul Lee, hover, and start function menu ul Lee. You can see menu ul Lee. When we hovered on it, this function begin fade toggle first image and second image, first image and second image. This is start function, this is same function. This is two same function, but it is for custom parameters different, and now this part is for our page with our classes and with our classes. Let's see. Now we refresh the page with the script and let's see. Okay, save the changes, refresh the page. Sorry, don't understand. Copy this all manually. Well, function hover styles is the same. Second image opacity all. Second image opacity all. And we see it work, but I don't understand why it didn't work on this point, on this menu. Let's copy the script again, put it in the body tag. Oh, I understand. I don't put jQuery in my new. You should. Let's copy jQuery. Okay, sorry for this, and put it our another directory. Okay, now it's will work all good. Let's refresh this. This worked, and our refresh it worked. If a tip was useful, like please and subscribe my channel. I will add there more videos and more tips. Thank you. Please write some comments and questions.